Good afternoon, everybody. Give me just a second to get everything set up. Shouldn't be but a second. Today is the 5th. Hope you all had a wonderful day. All right, got that all done. Nice. Let's see, where am I at? There we go. All right. All right, I think there's a few people here. Let me get TikTok fired up. That's a lot easier. All right. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Again, hope you all had a wonderful day. Yeah, I think we're live on both. How wonderful is that? Yay. All right. What's up, Sandro? What's up, Martin Griffiths? What's up, Peter P? What's up, Tank Dog and Sandro again? What's up, Bootlegger and Henry Chassain? What's up, Jay Parker and John C? Hey, question. Well, hold on. Let me get this out of the way. We are the only trading group out there that has a Class 41 trademark, registered trademark with the United States of America. It's under the safety trade system in my name. Very proud of that. Well, not so much proud as happy and thrilled, I guess. But very happy and thrilled about that. Next up, I do want to ask, there's something coming up. Let me see. Somebody in our Discord did the freaking coolest thing. Let me see, where was it? No. Really? This one? No. This one? No. Shit. There's only so many more places it could be. And definitely not there. Definitely not there. Maybe I'm not down far enough. What on earth? Yo, hold on a second. Now this is just downright pissing me off. Oh, hold on. I got to get things going here too. All right. Now, why does it look like this is, oh, here we go. This is our Discord. Jack Wagon. I don't know if Jack, who is that, I wonder? What's up, Henry Chassain? Look at how cool this is. Had a big day in the markets, so I did something I promised myself I would do a year ago. Now the system has changed my life in two ways. He literally put on a buy stop and a sell stop. It's so fucking cool, the tattoo, by the way. I love the design. Absolutely love the design. You guys should, that's how you remember it. Look, he got a tattoo. Holy fucking shit. This is real. One of our members did so good today in the market. This is his cool ass. Look, green, 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 red, green, green, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. And to be honest with you, I didn't even realize until Bree told me what it was. I was like, holy fuck, because I glanced at it in an email. Wow. We had another gentleman said he was going to do it, but never did it. So I give Jack Rag and Peter a lot of heads up to remind me of the rules. Peter P. That's who did it. What's up, Peter P? Congratulations on doing so well in the market. But I'm actually thrilled about your tattoo. It is such a cool fucking design. Good evening, Henry Chastain. Good evening, Jay Parker. Good evening, John C. Good evening, Joe Dixon. Good evening, the Max man. God, that is so cool. Good evening, Kim. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? What's up, Damian Hall? Yo, money team. CV said he's going to get one too. That's funny. What's up, bootlegger? I know. Isn't that some awesome shit, Johan? Kelly McMahon. Wow, I know, right? So freaking cool. I think I said hi to everybody. I hope I didn't miss anything. Tank Dog. Just look at that. Did so well in the market today, and he's been doing well. I think his biggest month was $30,000 or something like that. So Jack, like Peter, is just kicking ass. Afternoon, Coach. Robel, you got to get yourself a tattoo like that, my man. Good evening, Blue Tide Acrylics. Blue Tide Acrylics, you should get yourself a tattoo like that. I'm just teasing. But that is a cool design, an absolutely kick-ass design. Did you think of that yourself, Peter? Did the tattoo artist do that for you? That is a buy stop on the left and a sell stop on the right. That is so fucking cool. Robello said, I'll what? I don't know if he means he'll get it or not. That's funny. Sketched it up yourself. Damn, Peter. You're a freaking great artist on top of it. I do believe if I ever do, I only have one tattoo, and it's of my wife, Bree, and I. We got the matching dates when we met. But I don't know if I would ever, speaking of that, should probably update that, do another tattoo. But if I did, it would be our actual bull logo. That's what I would do. But yours is super cool. Absolutely. Man, you are one dedicated mofo with the membership, I'll tell you. I'll make a tattoo. I'll WTSC logo. There you go. I'm an engineer. Well, you're an artist engineer, and more importantly, you're a fantastic trader. Can you believe that? Everybody on TikTok and YouTube, you're looking at someone that's a very, very committed to the safety trade member. I don't know if we have any more that's committed than him. I remember one gentleman back probably about a year and a half ago, maybe a year ago, whatever it was. He said, "Oh, if the market turns around, I'll get a tattoo. If it goes from here to here, I'll get a tattoo." And we were all, there was about 30, 40 of us, and we're all like, "Oh, it's getting closer. Oh, it's getting closer." And of course, because, I called it, and the market, went to where it was supposed to go. He goes, "Oh, well, if it does it again, I'll double down. I'll get it." And he doubled down. It did it again. And he never did get a tattoo. But there's a different level of commitment there with Peter. Congratulations, Peter. Standing O. That is a live tattoo of our buy stop here and sell stop there. I don't know why. I just think that's so fucking cool. Amazing job. So congratulations on kicking ass in the markets today and getting the tattoo. You deserve a freaking 100 thumbs up throughout the people today. But anywho, we'll get back to business now. All right. I'm going to go ahead and say somebody last night around this time and then this morning. So dope. Isn't it dope, Casey? Congratulations. Yep, Blue Tide Acrylic is right. Someone named me, he must be cashing out, made more than my monthly paycheck today. Who needs a job? Damn. And you make some money. Peter P makes some fucking money. He mentioned how much he was making on his job. Though the next job he took, he had quit his first job, I believe. Right, Peter? And then he got on with another. They offered him a better position with way more money, and he took it. So he must have had a hell of a good day trading today. All right. Now, I went ahead and wrote this out for you guys last night, and I wrote it out again this morning for you when we were live. And I said official 1 minute sell stop towards the SPX and NAS 5 minute blue line. Well, here is the 5 minute blue line. Zoop. Let me pull this up just a second. There we go. This is the 5 minute right here. This is SPX right here. Here's the blue line. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. NAS looks exactly like it. Same exact trade to the 5-minute blue line and below. To the 5-minute blue line below. And by the way, look how close they resemble each other. Oh, but they're different symbols. They don't do that. US 30 so far below, it's a joke. But the reason why I called that was strictly because of rules of the system and strictly because of this amazing 2 out of 3 scanner. When I called this, the only one that was red below the blue line was US 30, and these two weren't. Oh, sorry, 5-minute right here. Now we have the same thing going on for the 15-minute. 15-minute sell stop to the SPX blue line. I don't know if it'll do it between now and it changes, but that's what it's going to do either later today or tomorrow. So that was amazing. Easy call outs. I love when you go over the rules. Nice, because I'll be going over here in a minute. So because of the rules and how I was looking at it, and again, look at this one now. Now it's getting a little long in a tooth. This same, what had happened this morning. The same thing was showing this morning at 6 or 7 morning, whatever time it was I was on. And I saw this right here. I would say, hey, everyone, for real, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stops to the SPX 15-minute blue line. It's a little long in a tooth today. I'm not saying it won't happen. I am saying it's a little late in the day. They dropped it all day long. I don't know if it'll hit it tonight. I would say after about 9 or 10 o'clock, I'd be looking for one of these to reverse, the reverse Uno. And I'd be looking for one of these to turn green and then play the 1-minute buy stops up. That's a little heads up for you right there, but to look for. I'm not saying we won't see this tonight. Might. I don't even know, probably. We might. But I was sure of the 5 minutes earlier today that NAS and SPX were going down. And in fact, when I left you all, it looked like SPX was going to keep going higher. And then, of course, it did what it's supposed to do and went back down. So I made that call almost, what was it, about 15, 16 hours before it happened. I was explaining that to a gentleman today on our one-on-one, that the calls can be made prior to whatever you're seeing. Da 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 da. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right with you. Okay. So, yesterday's night, a guy named by British was saying that it will drop 1818 and will BS, unfortunately, fucked up. A guy named by Coach was predicting NAS, was saying NAS will drop to 18,148 and will BS. Unfortunately, he fucked up. I'm not following that road. He is from Top Step Coach. Oh, I got you. Another place. Well, without the system, I give anybody credit out there trying to trade. Wasn't that nice tattoo, Larry? What's up, Johnson Trades? I don't know how people trade without the system. It's insane that they're out there trying. I do have utmost respect for them, but eventually they all have to come over to this way of trading because their way of trading is just, it's wrong 99% of the time, so they will be wrong a lot. Even if they're really good at drawing support and resistant lines. Kind of feel bad for them, but I've been on for 2 years on TikTok and a year and a half on YouTube. They've had enough time to come over now and admit they're wrong on what they're doing, come over to the truth. That's my view. What's up, Jan? There's about another 15, 20 people watching. I'm going to go ahead and show his tattoo again. One of our members, Peter P, did so well trading today. He made more today than he does in a month at his engineering job. And it's a high-level engineering job. He gets paid really well. He got a tattoo of our buy stop and sell stop, and he designed this himself. How freaking cool is that? My wife said, that's dope. I went, yeah, that's fucking dope as fuck. That is crazy good. I mean, it is such a cool design too. I love that design. I'm trying to figure out how I can work it. Hey, Peter, can you send me over a GIF of that and maybe a, well, I can run it any which way. Maybe a PDF and I can just pull it from there. If you don't mind, would you be okay with me using this in certain, I can throw it up on a, like when I'm doing the rules and stuff like that, I'll throw it up. I think it's cool as fuck. But if you don't want me to use it, that's fine too. But I love that design. I think it's cool. What's up, Joshua Fulcher? Yes, it is pretty awesome. Isn't that cool, Jan? But yeah, he did so. He has a permanent tattoo. He's been with us, what, over a year now? And he's kicking ass with the system so much for the second time, by the way. Let's tell Peter's story. He sucked at first, really impatient. Then he started kicking major ass. I mean, he was making $30,000 a month from the system. And then he took another job. He retired and then he took another job. I think when he took the job, it threw off his mojo. Then he started struggling greatly with trading. And then he emailed me, and I think I messaged back and forth with him a couple times. And now he's back. He made over, well, I'm not going to say how much, but it's got to be a lot of money. Thousands and thousands of dollars today. And then he got a tattoo. Started in March. $50 a month was my best, said Peter P. I know that is passion, isn't it, Jan? I freehanded. I can send a picture of the sketch. That is awesome. Yeah, that's that would be nice, Peter. I would like that. Just send over a sketch, and I can have a Fiverr artist 3D that thing for us. That is too fucking cool. Oh, 50,000 was your best month. I underestimated you. Sorry, Peter. I said only 30,000. $50,000 will, yeah, I would imagine if people started making $50,000 a month system like you, we'd have thousands of people with tattoos of safety trade system on them. What's up, William Perkins? So yeah, his best month was 50,000. Wow. Put it on some merch and I'll buy. Yeah, once I get it converted, yeah, I could do that. Absolutely. Absolutely. We'll put your little initials on there, Peter P. PP for the credits. You get credit for it. I'll put your Peter P or something on there. And then I'll put the safety trade name on there so we know it's part of our little logo stuff. Anywho, so it's not every day one of our members gets a tattoo. Matter of fact, the first one ever. Me and Bree don't even have a safety trade tattoo. Keith doesn't have a safety trade tattoo. Tommy and Stevie and Heather. I don't think anyone else has a safety trade tattoo. God gets credit. Amen to that. Yeah, isn't it, Jose? Half shark, alligator, halfman. What's up, half shark? Isn't it best design I've ever seen in my life? Truly amazing. I know it is pretty fucking cool. It's amazing. Love it. Can't really, I don't know if I can modify that enough to make that arrow look like our logo arrow for both ways. But damn, if I could, I can ask the artist of my original logo to see if he can make it that way. What's up, Mike J? Oh, you don't know, I'm the treadmill trader. I'm always on a treadmill walking. That's what the background noise is. I would get a tattoo in my life, but I would paint the bull logo on the hood of a white car. That would be cool, wouldn't it? I wanted to kind of yin-yang deal with the soup. I know. It looks like it, yeah. No, I like it. I was just trying to see if I could make it match our the actual logo, you know, that line part of it, make the line switch colors like you did while it goes like that. So I don't know if we can arch it here and then arch it back or something. Well, that's why those graphic design guys get paid. Fiverr, they'll do it. The one guy did our bull logo. I'm sure he can make that thing look spectacular. Cool as fuck. I wonder if our tattoo artists know what the hell you were talking about, though. I want this bar here, and I want an arrow there. He's probably like, what the fuck? Here we're all thinking it's cool as shit. And he's probably thinking, what the hell is this guy designing? But it really is. That's amazing, Peter. That's awesome. What's up, Crafty Mama 4? I love your video. Oh, thanks, Crafty Mom. Appreciate that. But I didn't want to bust me for copyright. No, Peter P. Nah, I don't. I would only do that if you tried to profit off something. Otherwise, hell no. You do and have fun with it all you want. That's funny. All right. So let's quit staring at a tattoo. Let's go back to our little correct call outs from yesterday and then this morning. And then we're going to go over the actual call outs for tomorrow. Still calling 4-hour dailies and 1 hour. Well, I have to check the 1 hours. I don't know. 4-hour daily for US 30 anyways. But I'm going to go ahead and say I was very specific with my 1 minute sell stop, 1 minute or 5 minutes, I should put on there. Sell stops towards SPX NAS 5-minute blue line. And they all cross their blue line, and there it is. Some of you underestimate how long it takes for 1 hour or 4-hour buy stops to form. It could literally take days. Days and days and days. Da, da, da. Feast. All right. Whew. Let's see. One second. Tell her she's welcome. Da 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 da. Yeah, I used to sit here doing the lives for Forex, which I'll be back to doing, by the way, when we get to Vegas soon. Tell her you're welcome. And I hope she likes them. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right. I think we're good. With the bad expectations of when they develop. I agree with the bad expectations. Yeah. Yeah, you think like people trade 1 minute, 5 minutes, which will happen 2, 3, 5 times a day, right? Well, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes would. 5 minutes take, 15 minutes take pretty much the whole day. Then they go to 1 hour. It could take days. It could take a day. You can go to 4 hours. It could take half a week, take 2 or 3 or 4 days. We'll go over it in just a second. Da, 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 da. Trading changed my perception of time in the beginning, 5 minutes like forever. Now shit, it's already been an hour, right? I know. And sometimes when you're trading, it just feels like it's like paint drying. Like nothing fucking moves. Paint is drying. Paint is drying. Paint is drying. It's like, damn, hurry up and go already. I was trading gold dailies. Oh my goodness. I don't know, about 6 months ago. I'd hold them forever, but they took fucking forever to develop. You're like, wish of mama. 4, 5, 6 days, 2 weeks. You're like, really? Can't you go by a little faster than that? So I do these short-term ones for you guys. Oh, she likes them. Oh, cool. Awesome. Awesome. All right. And they're so good for us, too. Olives are really good for you. All right. I'm going to throw up my last few trades. Okay. These are my trades times in. Buys or sells. Oops, let me get rid of this for you. Buys or sells. And, well, I can open up the price. Do you need the price? Well, it doesn't matter. There's your times in again. Times out. Profits. I'm surprised there was even a loss in here. I don't know why I put that stop loss. I must have had it in the wrong position. Because that wasn't a losing trade. That was actually a winning trade. I lose track of shit. I was doing so much stuff today. It was crazy. But anywho, those are the trades. Last, I don't know, 15 of them maybe, 20, I pick a number. All right. Next up, let's go over and start making, oh, I was teaching a guy today. Okay, everyone out there that has the system, tell me what this is, if you can see that little color change right there. What's inside of here without using the sniper? This is green, 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 red, green, green. What is this? And let me pull up something to give you a hint. Oh, I can't. He has it on his tattoo on his leg. Is this a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? Everyone, please answer. TikTok too, please. I'm going to teach you all something about Bitcoin. I had a one-on-one with the gentleman today, and I made him into a Bitcoin expert. Watch how easy it was. I checked my tattoo, and it is a buy stop. Correct. Buy stop, Jan. Correct. Jaraz, 12,000. Correct. Andrew, correct. Carpet Repair of Arizona. Hey, I don't recognize you. Good afternoon. Good evening. Correct. Joanne Soaz, Tracy Davis. Correct. Correct. Julius. Correct. Fly to the Sky. Oh, she's laughing at him. George Hyde. Martin Griffiths. No one on TikTok knows what this is. Wow. Well, this is a buy stop. And you want to know what this is? This is a monthly Bitcoin buy stop. So let me be clear. Not only did I call this out live back in this first time I would have called the buy stop on the monthly, would have been March 1st. Right here, either the yellow or the red, $26,000 or $24,000 would have been the first time I called for a buy. I distinctly remember telling you it would go up past its previous high, and it has, or thereabouts, right? So there you go. So everyone out there could have played this. Yes, my brother did. Yes, I have a little in Bitcoin. I think it doubled from 16 to 32 or whatever. It doesn't matter. But yeah, that's what this is. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You had each candle, Jan's talking about slow motion. Each candle here is a month. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month, 6 month, 7 month. month. Every one of those candles is a month, and there's your clear buy stop. So tell me again how no one was calling this when I called it in March. I called it in April and May, in June and July, in August and September and October, and November and December and January. The whole time I was telling you monthly buy stop Bitcoin. I kept saying, I hope you skipped that weekly, which we did. And now that is a monthly. So anybody that would like to debate that or said I didn't do that, you can probably watch, I don't know, 50, 100. How many fucking days are in 6, 7, 8 months? I don't know how many days that is worth of trading. So yeah, and everyone here knows what that is. Easy. If you throw in the sniper, forget about it. Can't miss. And there it is. That is how you read a chart. It happens equally impressively. Watch this. You guys want to have your minds blown? Let's go over here. Let's go over to the greatness that we know as TradingView. And let's go over here. 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 Okay, is everyone clear? Let's go down here, by the way. We can even hook that in like this. What is this right here, everybody? Peter P., please consult your tattoo. What is this right here inside my purple rectangle? What's up, Carpet Repair of Arizona? What is it? TikTok, YouTube, anybody? You don't have to all say it, just a couple people. Is it also a buy stop? Yes or no? Yes, it is, Martin Griffith says. Thank you, Martin. I bet you Martin's going to be kicking ass shortly. So watch. This is a 1 second chart. Buy stop, including the sniper. Green, 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 red. Green, green. You can't see the thing. I can show you right here. Watch. Buy stop. There it is. 1 second chart it works on, as well as it works on the monthly Bitcoin. Monthly Bitcoin buy stop. 1 second NAS buy stop. Tell me another system that works near perfectly. Well, it is perfect. Fuck that. The only misinterpretation, the only error is human error. The system itself is flawless. It works perfectly on the 1 second as well as it works on the monthly. Anybody out there? Anybody out there has another system that works on the 1 second? When I was told never to trade the 5-minute charts when I was growing up learning this shit, right? That you can never learn to trade 5 minutes. 1 minute was insanity. There is no structure 1 minute. I'm showing you structure to 1 second trades. I'm showing you structure to monthly trades. I'm showing you structure on the same system that I developed. Some guy says, oh, this guy thinks he cracked the matrix. Oh, he was in YouTube today. He doesn't understand that I actually did, that the system actually cracks their code. There it is. Tell me another place. Tell me, you're right, Jan, there is nowhere else. No, not now, certified 03. This is fucking, no, buddy. This is, we're not making call outs right now. This is showing you the effectiveness of the system on 1 second charts and on monthly charts. That's all this is. I'll be going over the actual call outs. So yeah, this is just so funny to me. No one can trade 1 second. You're right. I don't recommend it. We are trading 15 second though in these sniper rules for the signal rules. All right, let's get to going. Gold. Love gold. Wait till you see gold, what we have coming for gold. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. No one, no one. I like that song actually, Andrew. Gold, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop towards the 1 minute blue line. Forming. Look at this. Oh, I love this trade. Look at this. You don't understand. Keith Palmer, the great and mighty and amazing Keith Palmer, the greatest coder in the history of the world. We now have the ability to spot the logos on the higher time frames. Woo! Ric Flair, baby. What are you talking about? That now I can have it traced out on the hourly? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy crap. You don't understand what that means for our signal service. Before I had to do it without being able to get the right call out for this. Now I have it. Dude, you're going to be printing money with this system. Printing money with this system. It's going to be sick what you're about to see. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop gold, forming a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop gold. That's all you need to know about gold. I'm not calling out anything else. I'll get back to US 30 NAS and SPX in a second. EUR USD, 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop, EUR USD. Nope, hold on, that's not been changed. EUR USD is the complete opposite of UDCHF. What I ever call out for EUR USD is the opposite of USD CHF. 1 minute. Let me see something real quick. EUR USD, 1 minute sell stop towards the 5 minute blue line, forming 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. That's all you need to know for EUR USD. GBP JPY, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. GBP JPY. 5 minute sell stop to the blue line. Forming a 15-minute sell stop towards the blue line. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, GBP JPY. Bitcoin, you're just too late. I'm sorry, I already called this down for you, but it's just, You need this shit to pull so far down. It's not even funny. It touched the 15-minute. Let me see. 15-minute sell stop towards the blue line. Bitcoin. I mean, 1 hour, the 4 hours, just regrouping right now. You can do a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on Bitcoin, but you're too late. You're completely and utterly too late. I've been calling this since from March, April, and May, and June, and July, and August, September, and October of last year, monthly buy stop. It's just, I wouldn't even bother. You had ample warning. You either listened to me or didn't. Tough shit if you didn't. You missed out. XRP. 1 minute. XRP. XRP, 1 minute buy stop towards this blue line, but it's not going to get there. It's going to hook, come up over the red line here and hook and come back down. It will form a 5 minute. There you go. 30-minute hit it. Nice. Did the 1 hour hit? 1 hour hit. Nice. 4 hour hit. You go, little XRP. It was a 4 hour daily buy stop to the blue line. It did it. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, monthly buy stop in XRP. I've been recommending XRP since 31 cents. Amazon. Let's see if Amazon hit its little blue line today. Let's go. Oh, look at there. Told you. This morning we went over the trade. It was up here. It went down to its blue line and below. Told you. Probably all done with their sell. Oh, no. Amazon at open. 5 minute sell stop back to its blue line of the 5 minute blue line. Amazon forming 1 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. And that's all you need to know about Amazon. It's going to dip down first and then eventually work its way back up. U.S. oil. U.S. oil. UK and U.S. oil, by the way, both. Okay. U.S. oil. All the way down. Beautiful. I don't know if we're going to get a pullback again. Might see a 1 minute pullback. That's what I want to see anyways. Let me draw it out for you because sometimes you guys can't even follow. Comes down, came up, hook down, came up. It's going to hook back up and shoot right back down to this blue line right there. That's what it's going to do. So I would do a little buy stop up if we can get it. Let it pull back up over into its channel here. Then it'll hook back down and touch that blue line. That's what it's going to do, and it will do that. I'm going to call that a, what is that, 30 minute? 1 minute buy, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line of oil for US and UK oil. Also a 1 hour sell stop, forming a 4 hour daily buy stop, US oil. 1 minute SPX. Yeah, I think it's flipping. That's what I thought. Yep. 1 minute buy stop, SPX, NAS, and US 30 towards their blue lines. Yeah, I think they're going to, I don't know if they'll hit it, but they're going towards it. Oh, yeah, they got a long ways to go. Let me see the 15 minute real quick. US 30. Yeah, oh, yeah. Let it pull back up. You need US 30. Let me make this a little thicker here. Look at this fucking call out. I manually called out oil for you. Look at this shit. Okay, for NAS, SPX, and US 30, this is what you're going to see happen over the next several hours. You're going to see a hook up, boop, boop, and then it's going to, let me see. Yeah, hook back down. Are we still below on SPX? Hold on. Yeah. You're going to see the ricochet right here. It's going to come up like I drew it, come back down and touch the 15 minute blue line. Yep. Then SPX, US 30, and NAS are all forming a 4 hour daily buy stop, all three. It's going to take a while. It doesn't just happen. Changing these because it keeps on going. 4 hour buy stops, NAS has 4 hour buy stop, US 30. Yep, agree with that statement. 1 minute sell stops. Not changing that at this point. I believe you're going to go into the 1 minute buys. By the time I'm done here, I'll change that. I want to give it a little time to marinate because it's early and I don't usually come on this early. By the way, every one of these lines that you see are a correct call from the signal service. It's fully automated signal service. It's a computer code making these calls, and we're currently 27-0, 27 wins, 0 losses. I have 2 or 3 free ones I gave you, so we're about 29-0, and each one of these represents at least 2 more wins. So you're about 50-0 right now on the signal service. We call the buy stop, but it never engaged, so it's a 0. You just keep waiting, and I'll 4-hour daily buys. What's up, Annette? Antoinette? Hey, y'all. What's up, Raider Trader? What's up, Ore? We should just add it to the soundtrack. Yes, you should, Andrew. Someone made it. I just love the soundtrack, too. Every one of the fucking songs, you did good. All right. I promised someone that I would go over a common little thing right here. So let me head over to gold. And let me head over to the 1 hour. And someone asked a question in Discord, even though I was very, very specific in the Discord. Let's see something here. Yeah, this one's better. Okay. So here we go. Someone asked, how gorgeous these are. You can't ask for better entrances. These green lines, the computer buy. Jesus. Anywho, so what are we looking for? Someone asked, and I was thoroughly, I explained this thoroughly. I'm a little disappointed that the person couldn't fucking watch the video more than once and actually understand it. But watch what happens. This is our EMAs. Doesn't matter what they are. These little yellow and green lines and whatever. It could be red. When it's a buy stop, they form on the left outside. So what does that mean? Well, when you see this right here, and we change this over to a 15-minute one, right? Let me see if I can do it without ruining the spot. Probably not. Here we go. So look, and again, I was clear on this. Look at that, nailing that 15-minute buy perfectly. It's to the left. So what am I saying? Watch. Price comes up on the left on the 1 hour. Hooks on over, stays to the left. This is a buy stop. This is how you know it was on the 1 hour to the left. It has to be. Whatever. I know it's a new concept, so I'll forgive people. But when it's the correct trade, it comes up and over and back up again to the left of our lines. In this case, the yellow-green line. It depends on what, you guys can make your colors any way you want, but that's what it is. And if we do the same thing, watch, let me pull this up a little bit. And these are now added to the rules. You guys need to actually look at your freaking rules. Also on the 1 hour, at that time, and this one right here, the double line. You see how it's to the left of it? You see how it came over, touched and went up, kind of almost touched and went up. This is what you call the logo. And Keith, the great programmer, the amazing Keith Palmer, who coded this all for us and is coding it, found a way to actually find our logos. That's going to make the signal service even that much more accurate. Crazy. What's up, Estee? Message deleted by... What did Amare said? Oh, jeez, really? Douche. Bam. See ya, bro. Are there any single? Get out of here, clown boy. All right. Wow, people are nuts. All right. So that's your teaching of the night and today and in your rules. A buy stop is when it's on the left outside. Now watch what happens when it's a sell stop. Just watch what you see. Price started up high. Our logo starts up high, comes down, retraces, and comes back down. It's to the left inside when it's a sell stop. Right outside, left inside. We can go down to the 3 minute and see it even better, because that's where these take place. Now we can go down to fucking 1 minute and see them. Look. Price crosses over. It's below to the left. I'll get into a whole bunch of other things. There it is to the left, and down she goes. To the left, and down she goes. So if it's a sell, it's to the left and down below, which makes sense because sell means down. When it's a buy, it's to the right and above. What's up, Ryan Sprouse? Yeah, I saw that, Andrew. Something about pancakes. Hey, what's up, Abil Cashew? Missed you, my friend. Haven't seen you around here a while. Does that sevens, if everybody understands the difference and what to look for the distinction? I could have swore I pointed it out many times, but it seems like it clicked today with a lot of folks. So I'm going to keep repeating it. Sevens, if you understand that a buy stop starts from the left outside. Thank you, Joseph. God bless you too. What's up, Joe Bigga? Nice. You guys actually understand it. That holds true on 1 minute, 5 minutes, monthly, dailies, 2 hours, 1 hour, 45 minutes. Seems like the sell is to the right and down. Huh? Well, you're looking at it. This is where you have your prices to the left of our lines. And if you go over to, for instance, gold, to the left and outside. This is outside your lines. When it's the sell stop, it's to the left and on the inside. Again, just rewatch the video. I'm done repeating myself. I just did, Antoinette. Oh, yes, I see it. There you go. Half shark, alligator, half man. Okay. So we have 3 optional add-ons. The one I would sell my car or house if I had to and get a cheaper car and house and pay $150 a month for the sniper. Because when these occur, you're going to notice something. Let's take a look. Let's take a look how freaking cool this is. This is your 1 hour showing you something. So let's take a look. First rule is we go to the 1 hour and see if the blue line high and the pink line low is. Simple as that. Takes 2 seconds. Yep. Look, there it is. When this trade occurred right here. Let me go ahead and put a bigger line in here so we can see it easier. We'll make it a little different color. Oh, it is thick. That sucks. Hold on, I'm going to move this right in here. Ooh. Right in between. Okay. So this is right here. You can clearly see blue line is high. Rule number 1, check the 1 hour. Blue line high, pink line low if you're looking for a buy stop. It is. Did it retrace? 100%. This is our logo. Came up, came over, dipped down, came back up again. So right here, we're going to go to the 15 minute now. Oop, right where that yellow line is. And we're going to see a buy stop. Yep. And we're going to see the opposite on the sniper. Now this time, you'll see the sniper low, which it is, right here. And you'll see a buy stop right here. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy stop. Poof, up she goes. And that's it. There's nothing else to trading. Everyone else complicates it. I have other rules trying to help you guys see it. But that's step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is only you go to the 1 hour. Step 2 is you go to the 15 minute. It's made for beginners. Doesn't mean you can trade easily. Some people catch on. Heather and Tommy and whoever, they'll catch on same day. Right? I don't think Heather missed the trade the first 30 days. It's Stevie's wife. She paid $30,000 down on a Jeep. Brand new Jeep she wanted. I think it was a Grand Cherokee or some shit. But yeah, so that's what she got. Yay for her. And to think she almost did door dashing instead. You know how long it would have taken her to make $30,000? It wouldn't have been a month. I'll tell you that. Joseph gets it. Good. Antoinette, I went over it again. Hopefully you get it too. So rule 1, look at the 1 hour. Rule 2, look at the 15 minute. And now we have all the little antidote, whatever the fucking word is, that will then go ahead and do it. That's it. There's nothing else. They kind of give you individual things in there about unlearning to relearn. You can't combine the system with any other thing. I kind of give you, if you want to master it, record it. If you want to master it, teach it to 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 other people. Those are all anecdotal. I can't say the word, but you get the idea. We have 3 optional add-ons. Oh, shoot, fire. Hold on. We have 3 optional add-ons. 1, boop. Been using it already today. Doop, doop. I would look to see which one of these turns green first, and I'd play those 1-minute buy stop. That's what I was waiting for to see. It didn't do it. What you're looking for is the most advanced. Anything used for trading in the history of the world is trading all Forexes, all indices, all Forex majors and crosses, all time frames. Look at them all. There's some green. I always call it Christmas tree. Christmas. GBCF, sell. GBJPY, buy. It trades more accurate than 99% of you, actually, even the ones that own the system, at least 90. It's trading 2 time frames at once. SS1, GBBJPY would mean this is a sell stop to the blue line. Yes, it's trading to the blue line. We gave you a free upgrade on that. Cryptos is trading all major cryptos, not the little shit coins, but look at them all. Whatever the hell this thing is, USDD, I have no idea what the fuck that is. Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're all in here. It was trading all stocks, or all major 55 stocks right here. You have the top 10 rooms right here. It's $50 a month. For the most advanced trading system in the world, it's $50 a month. You do have to get the system itself. Look at it all. Look at it all. 5 minutes, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. All forming. Wow. But whatever. And then if you want to get the H&H, this is included. This was a free upgrade from Bree and I to everyone that was in the scanner room for $50 a month. If you want to get the scanner by itself, it's $500 a month. You might as well just pay the $50 a month and get it that way. It's amazing. Tomorrow, I fully expect a rise overnight, and then NAS and SPX to come down to its 30-minute blue line. These will turn red. That's what I expect to see. Will we? I don't know. It's going to be tight because it's about to flip over and do the – there must be some kind of news coming up. I'm assuming there's some kind of news coming up tomorrow, the next day, when they're going to do some bullshit news. It'll pop it back up again is what I'm assuming they'll do. Guessing they'll do. So that is one of our add-ons. Totally optional. You don't have to get it, but $50 a month, for the love of God. You guys, you know you all waste more than $50 a month. Coffee and donuts and bullshit, McDonald's and Burger King. A month? I heard Burger King and McDonald's prices are through the roof now. Wendy's prices are through the roof. You might be spending $50 on a meal or two at McDonald's. I don't know. I don't need that shit. We also have an optional add-on for our sniper. I've been using it all night. Again, said it earlier, say it every day. I would literally sell my car or my house in order to afford $150 a month for this sniper right here. You can do what you want with the scanner. You don't, whatever, but the sniper, I will never trade without it. It's too accurate. Third thing, and certainly not last, is our signal rooms. Right now, they're 27 for 27 with a 100% win rate since January. I fully suspect it'll only be at 80% when we're done, but I might be wrong. It's at 100% win rate, pretty much 50 to 60 trades in. I don't know, doing pretty good. Oil kicks ass, kicking ass. Gold kicked ass. Whole bunch of 24, 23 trades in the NAS, SPX, and US 30. Fed chair peaks, 9 a.m. Central. There you go. See? There's your bullshit. There you go. Thank you, D-Nice. What's up, D-Nice? So that'll be the impetus then for tomorrow, I would imagine. They'll probably spike it down hard, then pull it back up. I hope I'm on then, but I probably won't be. I'm still trying to get your shit done for you guys. All right. So the signals are right in here. We have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, $150 a month, $250 a month, $350 a month for unlimited. We have a gold tier, and we're giving a major upgrade for the gold tier, which already is 3 for 3, and predicted the last $36 ounce up on gold, and we're going to make it even better. We're going to make it as good as we did the U.S. oil. The U.S. oil sells is the most accurate signal that we have involved. It's 100%. The gold's 100%. All these tier 1, tier 2, tier 3s are 100%. But in reality, I would trade The only time in my life that I'm ever allowing right now a market order, and I've been doing this for over 2 years live and a year and a half on TikTok, year and a half on YouTube. The only time in my entire online career I'm doing a market order, allowing a market order, direct order. When you get the signal, you just check it to make sure it is a sell or a buy. Well, in this case, it's only a sell. You make sure it's a sell stop. As long as it's red and in a sell position, you take the signal at market order. You don't have to do a sell stop. That's how accurate the signals are for oil, U.S. oil. Thank you, D. Nice. Alerts are on. I know, isn't it terrible? I see them on my phone and hear them because I only have this Discord alerted. I silence the other Discords. Well, other Discord, I only have one. And then, yeah, this is the one that I actually have active. So this is the one I hear. We are Stan Senior Ambassadors for the Stan store. They're like Shopify. We're a top 50 store or maybe greater. We have 3 stores with them, and we kick ass on it. We make tons of money. That's through these 3 little optional add-ons and the price of the product itself, the system itself, $575. Only support us if you can afford it. Please do not support us if you can't follow simple instructions, if you can't afford things. We're only here to help you try to make money. I'm not here to help you lose money or go into debt. That's stupid. Only demo trade, but you can do, you're grown-ass adults. You can do anything you want with these signals or what I'm teaching you. I can only tell you to do demo trades, but you can do anything you want. Please understand, and from my heart and soul, Bree and I are doing everything in our power, including coming on 2-3 times a day, coming on at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning when I have a busy day so I can still at least come on for you guys. Giving you rules, giving you signals now, giving you everything we can, every tool in our arsenal to help you all make money trading. But the reality is 1/3 of you will lose money on average with the system. 1/3 of you will break even and 1/3 of you will make money. I will tell you again, and I repeat this 100 times a day, probably for you guys till I'm blue in the face. Even though we can't reach each and every one of you, I truly believe in my heart and soul, we're your best chance at making money trading. That's it. I don't know if we'll help you. We might not be able to get you the aha moment like several of our members did today, but we're going to try. And I guarantee you, me and Bree will do everything in our power. And Keith, heck, my brother, other people associated with the channel will do everything they can to help you succeed. But we can't. We can give you the spoon. We can make it golden, but we can't shove it in your mouth and force you to swallow. There is your guys that have to have personal trading responsibility. Eventually, you're responsible for everything. And if you give up, come back again and try again. If you give up, come back and try again. Okay? Just don't give up. Good evening, Truth 21. Did I see that silver went up? We don't follow silver, but I can check it for you if you'd like. Chesser 01. Right. Absolutely 200%. This is the only system out there. I agree with that. Truth. That was an aha moment for me too as well. See, I mean, some people, what's up, Michael? Some people, have aha moments when I say something, other people don't even hear it. Like when I'm teaching this left and outside and left and under, they don't hear it. They don't see it. I said it before. I've used it in coding forever. Left side of the lines. Oh, buy stop. Look for it. See, there's a buy stop. Left side of the line comes over, touches buy stop. There it is. Boom. 1. Boom. 2. This is the one that was called. Boom. There's another 3. Up she went. And there you go. I don't know how else I can say that. To the left of these lines, you look for buy stops, whether it's 1 hour, 15 minute, whatever. If it's to the right, to the left of the line inside, like it is right here, that would be a no. See, this is a sell. These are your lines. There's the price. These are your lines left inside. When it's a buy stop, it's on the outside. Left outside. Sell stop. Left inside. Buy stop. Left outside. Sell stop. Left inside. Buy stop. Left outside. Sell stop. Left inside. I mean, I can repeat it till I'm blue in my face, and some of you go, "What did he say? I don't understand. I don't get it. What is he saying?" I can't help y'all. You give so many nice tips to start. to write all down in a little book. There you go. Thank you, Fly. We kind of have them in our rules too, Jan. All right, that does make sense. It's Bruce Jackson. Yeah, it makes sense. Some of you get caught up in the moment. You're trying to trade 1 minute or 30 seconds. Some silly people out there trying to say, oh, the 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, when they all align. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work like that. That's not what it does. I'm not going to call out my own family member, but somebody was just, he doesn't even listen to the rules, and I'm his fucking brother. Some people are just what they are. There's no helping them. I'll keep trying, but yeah, there's no helping some. All right, TikTokers, anybody have any questions before I go over to YouTube for a minute? Anybody have any questions on YouTube? I'll be heading over there in just a second. If you have any comments or concerns, when haters out there send in an email that isn't a real email, that's not signed by them, we laugh at that. We laugh and have a party and we make fun of them because it's a joke. If you're a man or a woman, speak up now if you have a problem with the system, and speak up. Will 15-second, 2 minute be doable? I don't trade that. I don't know what to tell you. Look for that for yourself, Barry. No, Cobra. It's in the rules exactly what we suggest. We specifically suggest to, at this time, for beginners especially, step 1 says go to your 1 hour chart. Step 2 says go to your 15-minute chart. All the rules say is you trade the 1 hour, 15 minutes as beginners. It's literally in the rules for beginners. After that, whatever you want to do. Okay, Cobra. Have a good night, everybody on TikTok. Heading over to YouTube. YouTube, any questions? If you have any kahunas at all, please speak up now, because any meanly worded emails are just laughed at. I got to be honest with you. We get one every 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It's never from a real person. You're welcome. God bless you too, Robel. I don't know about a 15-second, 2 minute. That's not what I teach, Barry. All right. Thank you all on YouTube for being here. We made exact call outs. I looked for buy stops on the 1 minute towards their blue lines overnight. And then I will look for the 4 hour buy stop sometime tomorrow. Or we might switch over to a sell stop. I don't know. I'd have to see tomorrow morning on that one in case the news comes out first. Thank you, Este. You're welcome, Joe Bega. You're welcome, Este. You're welcome, Jaros. God bless you too, Joe Bega. You're welcome, Henry. You're welcome, Jan. You're welcome, George. You're in the right place, Janet. Welcome, Janet Rocco. Just please go over to you're on YouTube. Go over to the YouTube channel you're on and watch some of my last 10 or 15, 20 videos. It'll give you a good flavor of how to trade. You're welcome, Julius. You're welcome, Martin. You're welcome, Truth21. You're welcome, Andrew and Tank Dog and EA8851. You're welcome, Joseph Tamburino. That's true, Martin. That's true. All right. God bless you all. See y'all, Lord willing, tomorrow.